there, my name is Lindsay Marcus. I'm 5'6" and currently based in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Never mind, Kate, I'm all right. There's something I want to tell you. You made Chris feel guilty with me. I want you to tell him that Larry is dead and that you know it. You understand me? I can't go out of here alone. There's no life for me that way. And then I promise, everything will end and we'll go, and that's all. I know what I'm asking, Kate. You had 2 sons, but now you only have 1. And you have to say it to him so he knows you mean it. Larry is dead, Kate. I said he's dead. I know. His plane crashed off the coast of China November 25th. His engine didn't fail him, but he died. I know. I loved him. You know I loved him. Would I have looked at anyone else if I wasn't sure? But it's been so lonely, Kate. Don't let me leave here alone again.